Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to get 1000 subscribers in YouTube. So let's get started. So guys, to get real 1000 subscribers in YouTube, you can do some tricks. I'm going to tell you some tricks. By following these tricks, you can also get the 1000 subscribers in YouTube. So the first trick, you can create a template and add your channel links on that template and then post that templates in Facebook. In Facebook, you have to find the group's YouTube subscriber and you have to post that template in Facebook groups, and from there people can subscribe your channel. So this is the first trick. So the next trick is in YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, means you are running a YouTube channel, so you know that you can check the other channels that subscribe by your viewer. So if the YouTubers that your viewers subscribe is your friend or will be friend in future, so you can collaborate with them. So in result, the audience of other YouTuber will also watch your videos and subscribe to your channel, and your audience subscribe to other channels by watching that video. So the next step is you have to simply find the people who comments on your videos and you will be contact with them and ask them to comments on your video, and I will show your comments in our video, and you ask them to subscribe your channel. So this is the easy trick that you can follow and get 1000 subscribers in YouTube. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you like this information, so please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.